If your native language is Italian, but you're speaking English, you may have an Italian accent. But what does this actually mean? Almost all words in Italian end in a vowel sound, which means that Italian speakers are not used to pronouncing words ending in a consonant. For English words ending in a consonant, Italians may add a vowel to make it easier to pronounce. For example, man would become manna. Listen to how vowels are added in the following clips.
I am a man and I decided to remain a man. To remain a man. We defend the Italian flag. Italian flag.
They are not exactly with the words. With the words.
The r sound in English is made with the tongue not touching the top of the mouth. R. In Italian, the tip of the tongue does touch the top of the mouth. It's sometimes called a rolling R, but linguists call it an alveolar tap or trill. Italians may use their r sound when speaking English.
Because I want everybody to learn how to do it. Because I want everybody to learn how to do it. For we think that frozen food is bad. For we think that frozen food is bad.
We have a lot of room to improvement.
Italian has a difference between single and double consonants. Listen to the difference between these two Italian words.
Fatto.
Fatto.
Notice how the T sound in the second word is longer.
Fatto.
Fatto.
Linguists call these double consonants geminates, which comes from the Latin word for twin. In English, we have words written with two identical letters next to each other, but they aren't usually pronounced as a longer sound. For example, we say happy and not happy. When Italian speakers talk in English, they are likely to follow the Italian rules and pronounce any double letter as a longer sound.
Really be happy, but also for its difficult times. For its difficult times.
This is our dinner. This is our dinner.
Mambo Italiano, mambo.
There's no h sound in Italian, so Italian speakers are likely to delete this sound when speaking English.
He's very happy to stay with us. He's very happy to fight for the title. He's very happy.
For me, as long as the director has a vision, what's happening when I'm in front of the camera, what's happening.
It's a sad history. It's a sad history.
Italian speakers may add a h sound to words beginning with a vowel. For example, the word out may become hout. This is called hypercorrection.
If the citizens decide to go out, if the citizens decide to go out,
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie.
Both Italian and English have the s and z sounds, but these sounds exist in different environments. In Italian, when a word begins with sm or sl, the letter s is pronounced z, like in these words.
Smettere.
Sleale.
But when a word begins with sm or sl in English, the letter s is pronounced s. For example, small and slow. Italian speakers are likely to follow the rules of their native language and pronounce words like small and slow with a z sound in English.
If it's a big budget movie or small budget movie or small budget movie.
You need to slowly keep stirring. You need to slowly keep stirring.
Si tu la parla miezza americano.
Linguists give vowels names to make it easier to talk about them. The O vowel in the word notes is called the GOAT vowel. It's a diphthong, which means it moves from one vowel towards another. O. This vowel doesn't exist in Italian, so Italian speakers are likely to replace it with a vowel sound in their native language, usually a monophthong, which means just one single vowel sound.
And there is a moment in the film where
Don't lose don't lose.
Like many non-native English speakers, Italians may not distinguish between the E vowel in fleece and the I vowel in kit. So words like beat, bit, and feet, fit may get mixed up. Unfortunately, the word sheet may also get mixed up with another word.
And to get a beautiful long sheet of pasta, what you want, if you can see your finger through the sheet, then you're done. Yes.
Italian has 5 to 7 vowel sounds, depending on the variety, whereas British English has around 20. It's not easy speaking a foreign language when there are so many new sounds you have to make. But it's not just about new sounds. As we found out with the S and Z, there are rules about where a sound can appear in a word, and these rules are different from language to language.
Oh my God, now you forgot my speech.
These are just some of the features that create an Italian accent in English. Of course, there are many others, such as rhythm and the TH sounds, but I can't cover everything in one video.
Thank you so much, because you said the things very interesting, but very quickly.
If you're a non-native English speaker who wants to improve your pronunciation, then sign up for my online course. Go to my website to find out more. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your Italian-speaking friends.
We love Italy. I think you love Italy. Everybody loves Italy. It's impossible.